us to believe that? Baby of 2.5 years. All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now.
What?
Connectivity means what? It is to be installed locally.
It's not functional, my lord. It's not yet functional.
Your
Function has been done.
report says connectivity is to be done.
Yes, yes.
Very convenient. We don't need connectivity as yet. We need the local data available in this DVR. Yes.
Good morning, Your Lordship. The CCTVs are being connected as per the Honorable Supreme Court directions as a part of the Assam Police CCTV Connect project. So the process in police stations, out of which for 2 police stations it's been completed. And for the other police stations, the equipments have been received, but the wiring has not been done yet. Yesterday we received in particular case of Bilasipara police station, we have received the UPS yesterday, and they are in different stages of installation, but the installation has not yet been completed. We've got the photos of the present status as well. I can submit it.
How long will it take to make the equipment functional?
Your Lordship, the date for the entire state has been tentatively given as 10th of June 2023.
Now, what is your stand, Mr. Mazumdar? Children picked up with the mothers.
The children's, my instructions, I've got another document or something, kindly have a look. The sequence of events. Yes. Children were not picked up. Since mother was asked to come because she was having information about the accused, she was not disclosing.
Juvenile Justice Act.
My lord, your lordship is a
Child can't be brought to the police station.
These children are not in conflict with law as per the Juvenile Justice Act.
Even if they are in need of care and protection, can you take them to the police station, please?
They were not picked up. Mother was asked to come, and the mother said there is nobody else to look after the child. That is how the mother.
Your officers be so heartless. She is charged of 2 and 2 only. What prompted your officers to bring her to the police station in the night? She was running away.
The incident took place at night, and thereafter at 2:30 a.m. the police had to visit the place of occurrence.
So what was the anxiety to pick up the ladies in the night? Knowing very well that there are small children with them.
The lady was not picked up because she was having information about the accused. He was not disclosing. In the
So,
morning. 4:30 a.m.
so what you will do? You will beat her with a belt. Then?
To collect information to ask her.
Can you take a woman to the police station in the night? Tell us.
As per
Okay.
here,
Come to this.
CRPC.
Read CRPC.
No woman shall be arrested
Yes.
after the sunset and before sunrise.
Yes.
And where such exceptional circumstances exist.
So, all right. What prompted you to bring her to the police station? On what ground? What were the grounds to call her to the? Is there a summon that appeared at the police station for giving the statement?
Kindly just go through this. I have mentioned, they have mentioned everything here. For what, under what circumstances she is.
Yes.
Well, I'm reading from the beginning. Just the lordship will bear with me.
Yes. Yes.
First information regarding a person bus.
Your note is there. What is the power? You can give a summon to the witness. Can you bring the woman to the police station for interrogation at night? And that with children.
5 a.m. is not night in North. It is all by 4:30.
Our clock still says we don't have a different time zone.
We don't have, but one is absolutely bright in the morning.
Yes.
After 4:30, your lordship said.
That we know, but the clock in our country doesn't make a distinction.
We'll have different time zones soon, my lord. But then till now, but after at 5 o'clock, it's absolutely
Mr. Mazumdar,
sunrise.
she said, my husband is not here. I don't know. So you want to interrogate. So you take her to the police station, small children being dragged along. All right, we direct registration of FIR immediately against your officials.
Lordship, may kindly see the next just few paragraphs, my lord. Since
What you have spoken till now is enough to give that direction.
this is the written instruction I have got from them, my lord. Under what circumstances they have brought, she will be.
All right, now this was on 25th May.
My lord.
Then what happened?
My lord, Lordship,
All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now.
Lordship, let her explain what actually.
Yes,
Your Lordship, the.
you are
first-
the superintendent of police.
Superintendent of Police of
Yes.
Gujarat District. Your Lordship, when the first, prime accused Shah Jahan Ali was absconding, we did a lot of local inquiry and then we got to know that his wife, the second wife, she stays in a remote share area under Chunari PS in Golpara. So we had dispatched a party from Dhubri district at night and they reached the house of the second wife at around 4:15 a.m. Your Lordship, at around 4 a.m. it is pretty bright during.
Again,
the-
you are trying to tell us what is day and what is night.
No, Your Lordship. In the house of the other, the second wife, her parents were there, her brother was there. There were other members, but because it was a 2.5-year-old baby, she did not want to leave the baby and hence we had to she got the baby out of her own accord along with her. We did not get the baby or the children along.
Okay.
But because the children did not want to leave the mother, they accompanied the mothers and came. And Your Lordship, this.
Why could your officers not have waited for 2 more hours?
Lordship, it is a remote shore area and they had to come walking. And after that, I apologize that we did not wait for.
You are a lady
Your Lordship.
and how your officers have behaved with women. What have you done till now? These facts are on the record, your own document. 4:15 a.m. She is brought to the police station with a child.
Your Lordship,
More is wanted.
the woman sub-inspector was there in the raiding party. I apologize that we should have waited for 2 more hours and then brought her. I apologize for that.
Why do you need to apologize for these thankless people? All right, very well. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar.
Yes.
When was Rokia Khatun arrested?
Yes. Huh?
Your
Last-
sequence,
last-
you gave her summons to appear on the next day. That is, she was to come back on 26th May.
26.
Now your sequence is silent. She is shown arrested on 31st May. What happened between that period?
My lord,
She was kept at the police station.
she was not kept in.
Yes, she was
Your
kept.
Lordship, notices were issued and she was released on PR bond and then she was summoned the next day. We have the 160 CR.
Next day was 26th.
And Your Lordship, all the local witnesses were pointing their finger to Shah Jahan Ali. And because as per local information, we have that Rokia Khatun was well aware of all his land dealings. And the murder weapon through 7.65 mm cartridges were found in the scene of crime. And we have not yet been able to recover the murder weapon. So the local source
So
information.
for your failure to nab the principal accused, you will start picking up women. That's what you try to convey.
Your Lordship, the local information conveys that the wife is well aware and she has been complicit equally
So,
in hiding the murder weapon. And which is why we had to interrogate her. And because this was a completely blind case, several witnesses have been examined. So we had to re-examine her continuously so that we could corroborate new facts. And Your Lordship, if I may submit.
Mr. Mazumdar,
My lord.
don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case.
Oh, my lord, my lord,
Your police inspector went to the house of the victim. He was there. The victim was lying all alone on the bed.
Yeah.
His family members were there. At that time, they didn't know who the miscreant was who fired. Second report at the hospital. Till then also they don't know. Suddenly in the morning it dawns on them.
No, my lord. In the, my lord, Lordship will kindly see, when they went there, the victim, the wife told that these are the 2 persons who are involved. In the first paragraph, it says, Reza Hussain and Shahjahan Ali have killed her husband, she said.
But in the FIR is silent. Unknown miscreant.
Read annexure 2, page 19.